Can you solve infinite square root expression? Let x be equal to the whole expression. This part of the expression equals x as well since it continues infinitely. Replacing marked part with x, we can rewrite x as the square root of 6 plus. Now square both sides of the equation. Bring all terms to one side to form a quadratic equation. Apply the quadratic formula. Simplify the expression under the square root. So the possible values for x are 3 or -2. But since x must be positive, the final answer is 3. Was it easy or hard for you? Let me know in the comments.